Okay, EDUC 512. This is a quick tutorial on the iPad scavenger hunt thing we've got going on tonight. I just wanted to show you some of the ins and outs of how to get around and how to submit and how to grab the shared Google document and all that business. Okay, so there's a couple different ways that you can access the parameters of the assignment. Number one would be on our APU EDUC 512 Week 2 page on my website, and that would be all the way down here at the activity, iPad Scavenger Hunt. Or in Edmodo, that assignment is in Edmodo now, so you can look at the iPad App Scavenger Hunt activity in Edmodo as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do, and here's the process, is to access this shared Google document. So I'm going to go ahead and I can click on that link here, or I can, up in Edmodo, I can click on this link here. Give me 1 second to arm my little circle. Okay, so this iPad scavenger hunt link here, or the link to the shared Google document here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up this shared Google Doc. And if you've used Google Docs before, then you know what I'm talking about here. Otherwise, this might be new to you. So this is a shared doc. This is out of my personal account. You can see up here, mrounds5@gmail. So what I'm going to want you to do first and foremost is to File, Make a Copy. And you are going to name it with your last name, EDUC 512 and iPad Scavenger Hunt. And you can click OK. And now it becomes your document. And I want you just to go through the document as it's laid out here. Okay. When you're in Edmodo, you can show the full post. You can see the full assignment this way. And there's a couple more attachments here, a couple more links. Okay, so these 3 links are used to scout out iPad apps. Okay, so we've accessed the document, we've copied the Google document, renamed it, and now your job is to complete each of the prompts through investigation of apps made for the iPad. So for each prompt, I want you to find 1 paid and 1 free app and write a summarizing sentence for each. Once you're complete, once you finish the document, I want you to make sure that you click the share button up here at the top, because you can see when I hover over it, it tells me that it's private only to me, that only I as the owner of it can access it. So I'm going to click on share, and I'm right here where it says private. I'm going to click change, and I'm going to make it public on the web. Okay. Don't worry about it, you're not putting any intense and private information there, so public on the web and save. Okay, so now it tells me that it is indeed public on the web. Alright, so it's all finished. I want to turn it in to Edmodo. So I'm going to click the turn in button. Okay, and then to turn this document in, I'm going to choose this option right here, the little chains link together, which means link. Okay, I'm going to choose that, and then it's going to give me this option to attach the link. All right, this up here in the address bar is the link. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to right click and copy it. I'm going to come back over here to Edmodo, my Edmodo tab, and I'm going to click inside the HTTP address field, and I'm going to right click and paste. And when I click in here to title of the web page, it should say Rounds EDUC 512. It should have the title of my document. Once it has that in there, I click attach. Now, Edmodo, some of you learned last week, will not let you turn something in unless you choose a response. So I'm going to go ahead and click interesting because I don't want to slam myself. And then I'm going to turn in the assignment. And there you go. You've done. You've completed that assignment. I never know how to finish these things, so I'll just say goodbye.